Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make quick ice cream. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and any flavorings you desire, like vanilla extract. Also, prepare a small, sealable plastic bag for your cream mixture and a larger one for the ice bath. Make sure you have plenty of ice and about 1/2 cup of rock salt on hand. Now, let's create your ice cream base. Pour the 1 cup of heavy cream into the smaller plastic bag. Add the 2 tablespoons of sugar and a splash of your chosen flavoring, perhaps 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Carefully seal the bag, ensuring all the air is squeezed out to prevent ice crystals from forming. This step is crucial for a smooth, creamy texture. Next, prepare the chilling bath. Fill the larger plastic bag with approximately 4 cups of ice. Then, add about 1/2 cup of rock salt directly to the ice. The salt lowers the freezing point of the ice, making it much colder. Now, place your sealed cream mixture bag inside this larger bag, ensuring it's fully surrounded by the ice and salt mixture. It's time for the fun part. Vigorously shake the large bag for about 5 to 8 minutes. You'll notice the cream mixture inside the smaller bag gradually thickening into a delicious soft-serve ice cream. Once it reaches your desired consistency, carefully remove the small bag, wipe it clean, and enjoy your instant homemade treat. You can eat it immediately or freeze it for a firmer texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.